Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking photos with a clear visual story. Choose 10 to 30 images so timing feels dynamic. Once chosen, crop each to a 9/16 frame and make tight composition adjustments so faces and key details sit inside safe margins. Then, do quick global corrections, exposure, white balance, and contrast, aiming for consistent tone across the set. Make sure to export at 1080 by 1920 or the highest quality Instagram, accepts, so your clips stay crisp when assembled. You now import the cropped files into Reels or a dedicated editor and place them in your chosen sequence. Next, adjust each clip's duration between half a second and 1.5 seconds to create pacing, very short and long frames for emphasis. Once done, add subtle Ken Burns push/pan or left-right moves to introduce motion, then apply a single LUT or matched color adjustments so every image reads as part of the same visual story. Make sure transitions feel intentional, not jarring. You finish by selecting a track that complements mood and set markers on beats, then align your cuts to those markers so motion and audio feel cohesive. After that, export as H.264 MP4 with a healthy bitrate and normalize audio levels so nothing peaks. Upload to Instagram and add captions, tags, and cover image. If the reel stutters or uploads fail, re-encode at slightly lower resolution or a constant bitrate. And make sure no individual clip exceeds platform limits or contains unsupported metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.